Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Vlogmas day 22 and today we are going to be doing the part 2 to the video that we did on Vlogmas day 20, which was the this or that with the Jamaican food edition. Because we realized that you guys liked it so much when we were in the comment section, we see that you guys were interactive and you gave your opinions and stuff like that as well. We decided that we're gonna do a part 2 as well, and also some of you guys asked for a part 2. So this one is a little bit something there because I don't really know it, but you know it, I think, and also some people maybe know it. So
yeah, give you something what you don't know. Right, go ahead.
Alright, so this is roast corn and dry coconut.
Jesus, look here. I don't want to hear it.
It's apparently popular.
None.
It's apparently popular. Apparently out here. I never even did know because I never had it before. It's roast corn and dry coconut, or boiled corn with dry coconut.
First thing, I 1,000,000% dislike roast corn. It's new to me that you eat boiled corn with coconut. You know, you eat boiled corn and maybe drink a little broth with it. Like some of the times them boil the corn, and if them not cook it in a like soup and then boil it by themselves, you get it like, you know, then kind of put a little seasoning in the water where you can drink the broth.
Oh, okay.
Me never know say you eat boiled corn. Well, you all can comment there. I didn't know about eating boiled corn with coconut, but I will eat boiled corn. I love boiled corn, but not with coconut. Roast corn, this like that no exists to me. I never want to hear that because I have never in my life eat roast corn. Why would I be eating roast corn? I have no clue. But if you like it, you can comment. But me no want a roast corn.
Yeah,
the very thought of it turned me
I've
off.
had boiled corn before. Boiled corn is just boiled corn.
Yeah,
serious.
I never know say you eat boiled corn.
But I never had
coconut.
it with coconut.
Yeah, I know about people. I've seen them. I grew up a pit. Me see the family them roast corn and dry coconut. That wasn't a part.
I've never had. No,
that's not my style.
So I can't necessarily say about the roast corn, but
no, I can't say anything about. Me see people eat it.
I don't know with the coconut, but
yeah, so me don't know what's so special about roast corn and coconut. Me don't know, but me never know you eat the boiled corn with coconut too.
Next one, we're gonna do a juice for this one. Next one is culture juice, which everybody know. Culture juice are just the carrots, milk. What else
Dragon
or Guinness, nutmeg, cinnamon, them little spices then, or sauce up juice with milk.
Why culture juice? Why culture juice? I don't know. Back in my younger days, but I make culture juice like relatively every Sunday.
More than sauce up juice.
Yes, because the sauce up is like really heavy.
That's true.
Yeah, I honestly, I'm not a fan of the sauce up juice with the lime in there. Why? Sour sop is sweet and sour. It has a good amount of acid on its own. So I don't know why I drink water sour sop juice with lime and something in it. So,
that's true. Sour sop
yeah, it has its own acid. And then with the milk, me take the culture juice over it.
Okay.
And the sour sop juice with a little white rum in there, you know. And you put it in there and make the white rum ferment in it a little. Not a lot. But for me, as I grow older, I realize that the sauce up juice kind of hard to digest with me because it's so heavy. And then to me, I keep it from condensed milk again. It's really heavy.
Okay.
But I'll drink a little, you know,
you drink a little, but not a lot.
Okay. It may have to look white rum and I eat fine, you know. So people need to understand family. Look here, stop telling people, oh, and the alcohol and the low liquor. Well, not that for you. You don't want any alcohol in yours. But if I or anybody else honestly people put alcohol in them something, no need for come out so strong. You know that serious. Because people are not rummed like that fiat. You understand?
That's right, everybody has something.
And you all need to understand everybody's body is different. Different strokes for different folks. And look here, ask your doctor that. And your doctor will tell you, say, look here. But even the same ones, them where I say this and that. And if them ears say, a little white rum, a little water, they save them life, then take it gobble it down though. Yeah. But you just, hey, look here, look how much 100 million alcohol selling in the world. It's up to you. The Bible tells you about strong drink is a maca. The Bible tells you can't have a wine or something But you know, for take it and you're going
It's
to drink
about-
alcohol to make it sick you.
It's about
You
the
think-
amount that you
Yeah,
take.
and some people, some people decide then get a little. It's them say go against them for whatever the reason. Fine.
Which is fine.
But come on, honestly, me tell you the truth, it annoys me. When I make my little drink and I put a little alcohol, and you all come at me to say, how did you put alcohol? It annoys me. I'm telling you, okay? Just like how it annoys you if you see me put it in there, it annoys me for you to be coming at me and making multiple paragraphs. Please and thank you. Let it be.
Alright.
Continue.
So for this one, I would just say the culture juice for me. Specifically why I don't really drink sauce up that often. But if I drink it, I don't drink it with the milk. It's too heavy. So I would have to drink it with either the rum, yes. I mean, I have no problem with the lime. Yes, it's a bit acidic still, but I mean, I have no problem with the lime because it's not hard to digest for me. So it's
No,
just,
that's not that it's hard to digest for me. It's just that me and eat with the
your
lime.
stomach, you can't really take it with the stomach, which I understand.
Yeah.
So definitely.
Because me never do it, me never used to, you know.
You never used to do it like that.
No,
So your stomach not used to it. So culture juice for me as well.
Yeah.
Alright. Next one. This is more of a sweet. Drops or peanut cake.
Drops.
Yeah, why not peanut cake? I know I would say drops as well too.
The
and
good
I know
drops.
why.
The good drops.
Yes.
The good drops that is made with the yellow coconut. When I chew to a certain mention, I can't swallow my coconut trash. Not the one them take the dry coconut make me a fair chew, make cut like me a go charcoal forever and then me end up a fit, you know?
No,
spit
but
out the
I
trash.
I don't like that either.
But no, nothing is
Because-
wrong with peanut cake. But for me, I would say drops over peanut cake.
Drops
I'll eat
over
a little
peanut
piece of
cake
peanut
for
cake,
me as
but
well.
definitely a straight drops to me
Drops
over
over
the
peanut cake for me.
Yeah.
Peanut
But you all
cake-
can comment and say.
Peanut cake sometimes is a little bit too colliding isn't a word, but like
Yeah, I
just
think
eat-
it is.
colliding, yeah. It just get a little bit, you know, tired for eat over.
Yeah.
But drops is always nice when it's made.
Drops can never be tired.
Yeah. Alright, this is another one. Mackerel and rice or mackerel and fried dumpling.
This one is really sticky for me.
Specifically jack mackerel. None of the little.
Nice, good tasting
Yeah.
mackerel, yeah. Mackerel and rice. Right now, I go with the fried dumpling.
Me shock. Me think you that's a mackerel and rice.
No. Mackerel and fried dumpling.
Mackerel and the fried dumpling?
Yeah.
Alright.
But I tell me, I come back to the dumpling and butter too, you know. If you have like a coconut oil too, you know. You see, back in the days, if they take out the hot dumpling and sprinkle like the homemade good coconut oil with a flavor there. Yeah, me try. But the butter something there.
Oh, I've never had it like that before. Oh.
Good coconut oil. Homemade coconut oil.
Homemade.
Yeah,
Okay,
homemade
alright, I
coconut
got
oil.
you. Yeah, but for me, definitely for the mackerel one, it's mackerel and fried dumpling.
Yeah, fried dumpling and mackerel
As much
straight.
mackerel and fried dumpling just tastes better. You know?
It just tastes nice.
Yeah.
Because when you get the nice soft fried dumpling and you squeeze it up
And you just put it in
mop up the
mackerel
mackerel
gravy.
gravy. Yeah.
Exactly.
Sheppy, come in. Sheppy must love that too.
Exactly. I'm
Yeah.
not, as I said, not the biggest rice fan. Me eat it with the rice, but I prefer
Yeah,
the
me eat
dumpling
it. But if the dumpling there with it,
me take the
me I
dumpling.
go and, you know, deal up with the dumpling.
Take
and
it
the
with
tin
it.
mackerel.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Alright.
Can't go wrong with nice fried dumpling.
You can't
and
go
tin
wrong when you fry
Can't
dumpling
never
nice
go
and
wrong.
your tin mackerel.
No man, you can't go wrong. Once you get the good mackerel and it's cooked up and spicy and it have that little vinegar taste there and it and you're worse if a bird pepper you cut up in it and the dumpling then soft and nice and warm and you just open the dumpling and scoop up some mackerel and gravy. The rice can't catch that.
Alright.
But they won't tell you man.
They won't tell me.
You have to go do
As
all
I
part
said,
3 to this, you know,
You
girl,
guys,
part
can
4,
tell,
you know.
you guys can tell us in the comment
After
section
Vlogmas, yeah.
all of your opinions with these ones as well too. Just like the first one.
And I must say to them, I really I read go up on my phone, I never go up on the computer, I must say. I know some all of the comments saying come up on the phone. And see how people really react to it, and I just want to say to you, thank you all
we really
so
appreciate
much.
it.
We
We're
really
glad that you guys
appreciate
are
it. How
able to
you
interact
really
with it.
came into the comment section and interact, and we realized that because what's what happened. People that are Jamaicans, they left here long ago, and
they're not able to
because of this
experience some of
environment
this
those
stuff
things
anymore.
don't happen there
Yeah,
anymore.
exactly.
You understand? Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna do this one. This I know you know the both of them, I know you know the difference. I think I've got both of them. Me say snow cone or sky juice.
Snow cone, mama. Snow cone or sky juice.
Why so good?
Because snow cone is just snow cone.
That's
Sky
so
juice,
true.
no. Snow cone is just snow cone family. And a lot of people are going to talk about it. And sky juice, yeah, look here. But snow, we're having rain.
That's rain, by the way. Yeah, in your
Snow cone is just snow cone. Snow cone just good. It just
no,
good.
because
Just
say
good.
my choose snow cone as
Yeah.
well. I know what sky juice is. It's the one that come in the
So
bag.
where did you get snow cone? Because it's not when you go.
Oh, why
to
did
like,
I choose snow
No,
cone?
how did you know about it? Like when you go Jamaica Day, because it's not prevalent. Like
Oh, so for me with snow cone, how I know about it, when we have fairs at school, Jamaica Day, specifically primary prep school or them little, you know, primary prep school.
You don't bring
Those
in the high
them
school.
something in high school no more. I
big
haven't
picnic.
seen a snow cone in high school for the 5 years that I have been.
Girl,
No.
I haven't seen a snow cone family
But-
in like forever.
Yeah, but for primary and prep school, definitely was always there. Fair, Jamaica Day, any day with them keep. Heritage Day, any other stuff, it's always there, and it's always the most sold thing there. Definitely, they do have sky juice,
So
but you don't really see it as
let
as
me
much
ask
anymore.
you. Let me ask you. The snow cone. How you see it? How you see it? You go to the
Alright.
ice. How
So
the ice
there's
is.
two ways. There's two ways that I see it.
Mhm.
The ice is all one way. The ice
Hold
is
on
shaved.
there. May I ask you because me want to compare family. I want to compare her era
My
of
era
the
to
snow
your
cone
era.
to mine. Yeah.
All right, so they have two versions from what I'm seeing. When I was in one of my schools that I went to when I was younger, they shaved the ice. They had shaved
Any school you
ice.
want, call it and call Kyle if you again, it really matter.
Yes, so they had shaved ice.
Did
at
you
that
see
one.
how they do it?
No, I didn't. You know.
That's why
That
I
was
asked
the thing.
you that.
I never saw
That's
when they
why
did it.
I asked
but I
her
know
that.
the difference. I know the difference between the shaved ice and the crushed ice.
Oh, I'm not the difference here.
The thing is, I've seen the crushed
Yeah.
ice when them did it in a blender and I crush it up until it comes
that's what
powdery.
you know. You see
Yes,
family
but
back
I've
then
never seen them do the
compared to
shaved
now.
ice in my face. That was
Okay.
the only thing.
In my era,
Mhm.
and they are gonna comment. I have to tell them for comment. They had this sheer. I go look online. It's made from metal, like a heavy metal. It's shaped away. They call it sheer. But you can comment family and tell me if it's the correct name. We call it sheer. Sheer, S-H-E-A-R, I think it's spelled. I'm not sure. It's made a certain way. It's metal, and they would have the blocker ice, big piece blocker ice. When we got school, lad, feel like a snow cone man, the name Mas Vincent. Mas Vincent, God rest your soul. Yes, man. And when you see when we that school and breaks time come, and lunch time come, and Mas Vincent come. That time them I put what's this thing? Oh, I son tell you. Wood shavings to make the ice keep. You put the wood shavings over the ice and crocus bag, blue sim crocus bag, yes man. And when he come and he take it off and him have a little bucket for wash off the water, and you see in the pan. One I say, one snow cone Mas Vincent, one snow cone, and you know, chrome, and then the shear now, just take out the ice. Look here now, girl. And then him take the look of the paper snow cone something, and him stuff it off down in it.
Yeah, that's the next thing too.
And him have the pump buckle, and him just pump up the syrup, and then him have the water buckle, and him just put it around it, and just comment snow cone for me.
That's
girl.
the next thing too. I either get it,
but the snow cone, I feel not dead.
I either get it in. I personally like it.
Where did you find this? This is so good. Where did you find this one? Snow cone versus sky juice. Which one? Sky juice. Me feel say when we dig our high school, sky juice sit around.
And I think even this is sky juice somewhere. Magic juice.
You're my sky juice.
Because
you're all my sky juice sit around now. When them take up the ice car, what happened now? Everything was back then was like manually. So the sky juice man, them downtown, no, cause downtown you find sky juice man, you know. No, sky juice man still a downtown in a family. So them have them thing, them cat we make and it line with like some metal. And them have them ice. It look to me like you have all people with their machine we crush the ice and then just go bite.
Yes, I think
so everything is different. So they store it in there. So what me did like here now in a man, me did like forget the milk now. When we get this, we pour the box milk in it and make them squeeze the syrup in it.
Oh, okay.
And then too, when we did go high school, we did carry a little lime. And when we get
you squeeze the little lime on it.
Squeeze the lime
Alright,
in it,
okay.
yeah. But we never have, you know, if we have sky juice a country yet. And then too, you know, when we did go a country, I have to talk. we are making it
It's memories. It's your memories compared to my memories.
So
and
somebody there talk about me for make my daughter stop and make my daughter talk. You need to stop talk, okay? So it is something that we are entertaining the people. We are not doing it for you only. We are doing it for the crowd, for the massive of the people. Okay? So me have to make it entertaining that the people them love it. Okay? So me now stop chat. Don't know that. So now, in our days, there would be like when you get your snow cone into the local cone something, you big, you know, you're creme de la creme, you know. But when not now going for you, and the little ice shear, and Mas Vincent drop it out of the shear and squeeze it in there, and call Mas Vincent and big, you know, and squeeze it in there, and you know, them are gonna come in, and then him hold it underneath in there and put a little syrup on it and give you a feel. That your money not big. Your money not big. Forget the cone.
So you have to get it in your hand.
So back then, and never do it. So nowadays, if somebody see you do that, you're all nasty or it not clean and it not this.
No, people used to do it back then. So what's the difference?
And we were kids. When anybody see you, and let me tell you, family, you're still at that time. It was so hard that you still had to break off a little piece of your hand and give a friend.
Yeah.
You saw me, I say family, so that's why I say I've got to talk, as me I try to make it. Even though we are reviewing it, I want to bring back people memories.
Me can bring back no memories for nobody.
Exactly. So nobody tell me if I make me that me a chat. Okay?
Mama
so if you don't want to hear me talk, you know what to do. Okay? So it was hard back then, family. And una can comment, but take off one little piece in our hand full of syrup and we don't go rinse it off.
That here. Alright. This one, I put this one there because we did talk about it already. You more know it. I don't really know it like that. So mama gonna give you her opinion. And probably other people know it, but I don't know it so much. Jimbilin or Coolie Plum?
Well, straight for me, a Coolie Plum. Me love Coolie Plum. Jimbilin.
I know what Coolie Plum is.
Yeah.
I think I've had it once.
I don't know if
I remember the taste.
I don't know if a lot of, well, I don't know, maybe them call Jimbilin
a different
name.
The
Jimbilin where we have a Jamaica, when me know Jimbilin, maybe them call it a different name in other, like, let me say, other Caribbean countries. Yeah. And maybe in other parishes in Jamaica, they call it a different name too. Jimbilin are some small little something, and them kind of have a kind of cream color. Like, more color like this on my blouse, but it's not so bright, the yellow. But it's not, you know, it's sour, but Pitney love it. Jimbilin, they are smaller than Coolie Plum, but for me, a straight Coolie Plum. Yeah.
If you guys have another name for the Jimbilin,
yeah, the Jimbilin,
like you can tell us in the comment section.
If I can go on the internet and find the Jimbilin, but then again, you know, I do it, everything I copyright these days, so you know. But if you know the Jimbilin, that it's them sour, but you know they are small, and some have some little kind of little pumpkin looking shape, like you know them little pumpkin. Comment and tell me. We call it Jimbilin. And yes, somebody comment and say Sandberry there. He's something as Sandberry. And I said Mary there. So maybe I said Mary come for this. So the guy tell me say I ate me in Sandberry. So I didn't know that. So thank you so much. Thanks for sharing that. So the person
is this it?
That's it. Yeah.
This is it?
That's the Jimbilin.
Then I not know what it is.
You know where you know it from?
I know it, but we never eat it before.
But you can't show it if you show it now.
Yes, I can.
You show them now? Yeah, this is it. So that's the Jimbilin.
This is what it looks like. See it here? Yeah.
Yeah, that's the Jimbilin. So people must. So where you know that from?
Hold on.
Blurry?
Okay, there we go.
Where you know this from?
I see my seeds. When I come from there from school, I used to walk and come back from school from out or something there out there. So I have like one little tree and I used to drop off on the tree like the Coolie Plum, or them used to drop off on the Coolie Plum tree.
Because
used to drop off on the tree
long
too.
time up some a sticker early up in the ear. Me and one time me and Uncle Murphy and Dad go country. I have seen these before. And me pass and see one tree and me say after me never know a Jimbilin tree there. So
yes, I have seen these before.
Me no see, but me go for but look here, me never know the Coolie Plum thing till me come down, you know, Jimbilin, me didn't know. And we did have one different plum a country turns that about egg plum. I said no, because we don't eat egg plum. Egg plum and egg plum. But we have the smaller version. They look like egg plum. But some little plum when them ripe, them nice. I don't know what kind of plum. We just call it plum.
Oh, okay.
Because there are different species.
Different species.
Yeah, but for me, I never know,
I've seen it.
It's not prevalent nowadays.
It's
you
not.
don't see it a lot.
Maybe if you go deep in a country.
Yeah, but did see one tree and I say, Uncle Murphy, and I said, Dad and Uncle Murphy said, no, they don't know it. You know?
But specifically for me, I saw it when I was coming from school one day, and maybe a couple of times it would have fallen off on the tree, it would have seep on the ground, just like how the same
I've never seen Jim Billy in a drop of ground. Come in family, we always have fear on the tree. But it's sour. But you know, even though it's sour, I think that would make a nice juice mixed with something.
Kind of. They might have maybe star fruit or something like that. And speaking of star fruit, that's the next thing we're about to. Well, as we say, for the Jimblin and Coolie Plum, me can't necessarily tell each of them have only had Coolie Plum once, but I remember it here. So.
Oh, you one time if I eat Coolie Plum?
One time.
No man, Coolie Plum for me. I eat two Coolie Plum right now. Coolie Plum for me straight. I don't even know if that is the correct name, the official name for the Coolie Plum. I don't know.
Maybe not necessarily, but maybe that's what you guys
call it in Jamaica, Coolie Plum. But I guess them supposed to know because it just privileged about the place.
Coolie Plum.
Where Coolie Plum there?
Like this?
Yeah, Coolie Plum this? No.
Yeah, it is.
No, that's not Coolie Plum. Bring it up back.
That's the green.
That's the Jimbilin. When it green.
No.
When it Jim, that's what?
That's Coolie Plum when it green.
No man, that's not Coolie Plum man. You don't know Coolie Plum, mama. Where my glasses?
See that here?
Plum.
Yeah, these.
Yeah, that's Coolie Plum. That's Coolie Plum.
Yeah, the other one them I never.
The one where that show me, I never. The one where that show me first is the little plum that me I tell you about.
Oh, the little plum where you would have
said the bigger one to them I add plum. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The Coolie Plum there. Yeah, Coolie Plum. Coolie Plum.
All right, next thing, star fruit or tea chocolate. You're saying I really like either of them.
I am not a fan of, even though I'm a country girl and we have apple at St. Mary's, but I would say go to eat the apple over star fruit.
Okay, I get that.
Go to eat the apple over star fruit.
I like both of them.
I like my star fruit then so sour.
I'm a very big fruits person. I like both of them, but for me, I like the two of them, but also the two of them kind of annoy me in some way. Because when you get the star fruit them, some of them too sour, or if it look too nice, it probably spoil.
Yeah.
The next thing
to spoil. Both of them spoil easily.
The next thing with the auto eat the apple, you get them off a tree, spoil, or it mash up and spread out. Can't deal with that. When you carry it back from somewhere.
Yeah, let me tell you, the star fruit even better. It can take a little more. The auto eat apple, it cannot take no farmer.
Can't take no farmer dropping, no hard, nothing. Because it's how soft it is.
Delicate.
And then if one little part of it mash out, the whole it starts to get
very delicate.
Bad and then
but there's the auto eat apple makes a lovely pie.
Oh,
it makes
juicy that.
Yeah, I'm gonna make eat the apple juice and put. But I'm telling you that the auto. Every time I say me I go do it. It makes a beautiful apple pie. The auto eat apple. It's a beautiful pie. I don't know if you have ever made it. I might try to make it. I'm not sure if I'll make it for camera, but I'll just make a small one to make it tasty. And it makes a beautiful jam. Lovely jam. And it also makes a nice topping for Sundays.
You did that already?
Yes, I did that.
Yeah, and I had it.
Yeah.
So for me,
so I think the auto eat apple is more versatile.
It's more versatile than star fruit. But for me personally, I would choose star fruit. Why? The auto eat apple is very drying when you eat it to the mouth sometimes.
How could it be drying when it's a lot? Most of it is water.
No, I'm gonna explain it to you. Stainy is the word.
That's the young one them
yes, get. Yes. And because of that, sometimes it just throw me out. Like you get ribena.
Because to be honest, some of the apples, no matter how ripe them is,
how ripe them they're not sweet. They're not sweet and kind of a little stainy taste to them, which I really dig like that.
And because we have our own, but you forgot to choose your own when you have to bite out a road. But we have our own. Lord, we have it at St. Mary. We have it till it look
that's
bad.
That's true.
We have it, and most of the times, my God, what I always do, I always cut them up and freeze them in bags. If I don't mind chop some, I deep freeze that too,
Probably if you dig deep
enough. I dig deep, like, yeah.
Alright. So star fruit for me, because when you get a really nice star fruit, it's sweet.
But very rare, me get that.
Very rare though. Very rare. But it's really
very
good.
rare.
So this is turn June plum with salt or turn mango with salt. That's the question.
Turn June plum with salt.
Or turn mango.
Turn mango with salt. Honestly, I've never had any of them.
Really?
I had them, but not with salt.
Oh, but not with salt. I have.
But me just said the turn mango with the salt over the June plum.
And you're completely correct. You're
but I have never
correct.
had it. Just thinking about the taste. But me never really said put the mango with the salt. I don't remember doing that.
Next time we get turn mango,
well, when that I go.
Whenever that is, me make you try it with it. The reason why I've had both of them.
Yeah, because we love buy June plum.
Yes. So we used to buy June plum.
I mean, eat June plum with salt and black pepper.
I don't know about the black pepper business. We never eat that one there. But the salt, definitely.
Yeah,
with the turn June plum, they used to obviously them used to sell June plum, you know, outside of school and them stuff there. So you get a little turn June plum. Yeah, you get a little turn June plum in a bag and a little salt pan it. I don't even remember how much it be. I probably have 50 million for it now.
But when me used to see the kids them do. I sprinkle the salt and I've sod it.
Alright.
Oh God.
No, not for my
That's
era.
why them really said different strokes for
different folks.
Yeah.
Not for my era. Definitely not for me.
No man, doing a for your era and before your era too. I know them are doing, yes, the primary school kids them.
You can't start out salt.
No, because the salt, what does it? It breaks down the turn June plum, or it start break it down.
Oh, okay.
And then it become liquid, and then.
Oh, me know what you're talking. No, when she says that it's not in them hands specifically.
No, it's in the bag. It's in the bag. And then them tie the bag.
And then just
and the salt break down the June plum. Yeah. But no for them know me at all.
Yeah, me know what you're talking now. Used to do it to sometimes, but not very often.
So you're going to know.
Because we never know it. You never explain it to properly first. You want a little juice outside. That little juice outside.
Yeah, when kids can just be kids. Kids will forever be kids. So
with the turn mango,
sometimes we know for add pan kids. Them out there, you mean if they turn June plum, they know we out there sell mango.
Yeah, for the turn mango,
then school get people in around, but still school get in around, you know.
For the turn mango, definitely they were selling it outside of my school. But
I'm just gonna give a little joke right here. Cause I don't know how me stay. Me like when people enjoy my video. I'm not boring. So this lady with a school get tell me one time say. No, we were talking how some people can extra and know things and through then hear people talk it, then run come. Just like how we did that tell in the previous video say some people just delusional. So she sell a school gate and she had tell me say she out there selling. Come at the woman, said the woman, one parent, you know, not the money for buying nothing, you know. You have any salt for sale with the June plum? Yeah, they say, yeah man, me have my salt. Is it pink Himalayan salt? It's a move right in front of me.
Because when people don't forget pink Himalayan salt.
No man, so she said to us, move right in front of my style. Move right in front of my style. When forget pink, when from buy pink Himalayan salt.
You must put a salt there? You must put a salt there now? Alright, so this is the last one. And though neither of us really, mom not indulging in this at all anymore. But I'm going to put it in a scenario where these are the last two things where you have to eat on earth. Let's say these are the only two options left what to eat on earth.
You say, I don't know where you come with now, but I'm listening.
So, because mommy not dig none of them anymore. So, fast food or box food?
Jesus.
Oh man, you have to answer the question.
Yeah, me got answer. Me got answer. Box food.
Alright.
Wait no man. Wait no. Wait to the box food now. Why box food? Because box food you have a lot more variety.
I get you.
Yeah.
Okay.
But here the box food that me want now. Me want my box food where you used to in the little paper box and where you fold the box and make it. You know them kind of box food?
Brown paper box then?
No, white. And you have the cartridge, not cartridge paper, the little piece of white paper. What the little paper we use there? Parchment paper. Okay. That was it. But oh God, back then, family. At that now, them come flat out, you know. You ever see me have some boxes like that? They still sell them, you know. And one restaurant there, half a tree, we still use them.
What I forgot.
And you fit the box them making you just fit them cut out in a shape.
Yes,
and you just fit them, yeah.
I think
and then you put in the little piece of paper down at the bottom like a grease paper. And them the box them want to eat back out. Them box food there. Comment, you remember them box food there? And then the time when you buy all one curry goat, you know. And you eat something when you eat and not even want you want to eat all the piece of box. And them box food them want to go back to. I don't care back to it. Cookies, cook shop. I not talk about the restaurant them. Cook shop out the road. Go look for some of them box there and start cook. I want to go buy from. And them box food them enjoy.
If I ever choose between both myself, box
cause me no know. I just feel like say back then them days if the food is even and bad, it tastes good in that box there. Oh no, come in family, come in. Because as somebody did talk about the tin curry goat when they pan one of my lives them. Me never remember. Tin curry goat, then cook the curry goat with all the Irish potato in it and can it. All them curry goat it tastes good in the box, you know. Oh no go back, go buy. Oh no go back. Okay, oh no cook shop people. Go back and start put the food in them box there. Me say even if the food not eat good, it tastes good in them box food.
If I had to choose for sure, box food for me. Why? Nowadays as a person who is growing up around the fast food very often, I get tired of it. And I never thought I would see the day when me get tired of fast food. I went to tell them me tired.
But I'm not telling them I never get tired of one certain type of burger. I'm not telling them right now.
I am so tired of it. No matter what it may be.
But the box food has more it has a lot more variety.
Yes, that's
have more variety.
So true.
You can get everything, dumpling, everything.
You can get everything.
Who would have choose fast food over box food?
Some people that choose.
Well, comment. Box food, but me only hear me say I want the paper box then. Cause all if the food tastes bad, me now gonna know. Trust me. Box food, man. That the day me you know, I'm gonna show you. I think they have it. If we go one of them places, if we got Chang's in a Clactoa Plaza, I think them have it. Because now they put like pastry in them, you know.
Wait.
You know what me I talk, little girl? Yeah.
No, we know.
They like if you buy like a Danish pastry or something.
Yes.
Don't have the bigger version them for the back.
No, let's talk about it. No,
they're back in a few days when you hear about box food. We're gonna jump up and mash up with Eddie, girl.
No, that is said that about the Danish pastry.
Yeah.
No,
yeah, they give it over boxes. Yeah, man. Them they used to get box food, you know. Yeah.
Speaking of pastry, well, we're finished. That was the last of it. But it's like a bonus question. I know to talk about pastry. Which pastries? What's your favorite pastry? Of all
pastries.
Time. Back then, no intermediate.
Me I did eat that back then. Come on, I was a little country girl. I don't know.
Which is your favorite pastry?
Right now, Danish pastry. Danish. But remember, I said Danish. I have to say what I mean, like beer claw. All of them look something there. You know, say sugar and spice, bring on something there, beer claw. All of them Danish pastry. They will have the little soft. Start a paste, something them like a rough puff. When make turnover, apple turnover, them cut that type of pastry. Yeah, it is like apple turnover, all them something pineapple. They are considered Danish, you know, to the type of pastry. But them pastry, them, me love them, darling. The pastry, they, when it bake, it just puff up and light and crispy, like croissant, after me pastry that.
Oh, when last week one Danish, it's been ages since me
want make one Danish.
No.
Yeah, I want make Danish world.
So thank you guys for watching. We enjoyed doing this for you, and we hope you enjoy it.
I do.
And we will see you guys in the next vlog. We're soon done.
Yeah, thank God.
We're soon done, people.
But yeah, the people, I'm gonna want you first do more thing, but school will come up.
So
yeah, when you can.
Yes, exactly. So
but I just want to say, family, remember this is for entertainment. So my daughter is talking and I am talking. My side of things is different from hers. People, I don't know how much people her age is watching, but people, I know maybe a few people your age might be watching and they need the info, and people my age also can relate. So nobody pass through. The person who said that is a little pass through. You're not a regular person. So look here, if you don't want to hear me talking, just when you pass through, just not stop, because me I go talk. Once you see me,
I know there will be a lot of people my age
on this. Maybe as time go along, you know. Maybe as time go along, because I can tell you something. You never know. When we go up so last week, where would they go? When would they go buy the gift bag them and something?
Oh, Papa.
And you did stop and go in a Popeyes and go buy food. Oh, this young lady, she was like your age. She was about your age.
Okay.
And she came. Let me tell you. Young lady, if you ever get to watch this, big up yourself. I didn't get her name, and I didn't, you know, and everybody want their name and nothing. She came across to me. I was so surprised, and she said, "Good afternoon. I can't remember the name of your channel, but you are so inspiring. I watched you so much. When I wanted was to make my red herring, I watched you, and it was who taught me to prepare red herring. Thank you all so much. You're doing a beautiful job." I'm going to tell you something, family. Nice. It made my day.
That's really
it nice. Has really made my day to know that young people, when young people come up to me, I'm going to notice that anytime I take up myself and find myself anywhere I put more, people like a trouble. Because in that day I thought I met 4 people just from Cross Fontana for come cross in that the parking lot.
Oh, yeah, that one.
Yeah. I don't know. Portmore people like them watching more than anybody else. Portmore people big up on yourself. Enough love. Merry Christmas.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Yeah.